Teacher Training, a guide to professional development in education. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of teacher training. This is a vital part of every educator's journey, helping them become more effective and skilled in their teaching. So, let's dive in and understand what teacher training really entails. Teacher training refers to the professional development activities and programs designed for educators. It's all about equipping teachers with the latest teaching methods, educational theories, and classroom management skills. This training can take many forms, from workshops and seminars to online courses and in-service training days. Why is teacher training so crucial? Well, it ensures that educators are up to date with the latest educational trends and methods. This not only benefits the teachers but also greatly impacts the quality of education that students receive. Through continuous learning, teachers can adapt to the diverse needs of their students, employing innovative and effective teaching strategies. There are various types of teacher training programs available. Some of the most common include Initial Teacher Training, ITT. This is for individuals who are entering the teaching profession. It includes programs like Bachelor of Education, B.Ed, or Postgraduate Certificate in Education, PGCE. Continuing Professional Development, CPD. These are ongoing training programs for practicing teachers. They help in keeping teachers updated with new research and teaching techniques. Specialized training. This focuses on specific areas like special education, language teaching, or technology integration in classrooms. Effective teacher training has a profound impact on the educational system. It leads to improved teaching methods, better student engagement, and overall enhanced educational outcomes. Teachers become more confident and innovative, creating a more dynamic and inclusive learning environment. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and impact of teacher training in the field of education. Remember, great teachers aren't just born, they're made through continuous learning and development. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more educational content.